I believe it was June 1st, Hemmie van Xanten informed the WIPM party that he was no longer going to, I guess as they say in the US, caucus with us or be a member of our party. To be honest with you, it wasn't something that was no surprise to us. We saw it coming. It had been rumored for months, and there had been discussions on the island for a few months now that Hemmie had been telling people he was leaving the party. And we did ask him if these rumors were true, and he indicated that they weren't. For months, he said no, it wasn't going to happen. He was very strongly behind the party, and so. But we, of course, felt that the rumors had some basis, and we expected that at some point he would inform us that he was no longer going to be part of the WIPM party. Governing, I don't see it really having any real impact. We do make our decisions together, and we will continue to do so. So I'm sure I don't expect any real impact in how voting goes on the Florida Island Council or how decisions are made. He did not reallocate the seat that he has back to the party, which is his right in our democracy. And he will be representing himself independently. And yeah, he's free to